I need money to hang out tomorrow.
What happened? You look panic. Is there anything that I can help you?
Dad, I need money. Tomorrow I want to chill out with my friend. Can you give me money?
What? Money? I give you 1 million yesterday. How come you already spent it all?
I'm stressful with school work. I feel dread that I need to meet people. The money is gone because I bought things for school.
No. You stay at home. You know, you always feel stressful. You always feel drained. Because if you meet people at cafe, you spend a lot of money. Why don't you stay at home, just play games? You want to play games, right? Yeah, just play games and with online friends, you know? You can save a lot of money with that. And if you have online friends, you don't need to spend any money. See, look at this. This is the online friend that I have. See?
Yeah.
Maybe you should try.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, Dad.
Okay.